top keyboard shortcuts in Airbnb. Now, some of the best keyboard shortcuts that you can use for Airbnb. First of all, Airbnb itself natively does not have any type of keyboard shortcuts because it is not a programming app or an editing app or any type of visual sort of application that requires shortcuts. So you can also see that it says there are no widely available or officially published general purpose keyboard shortcuts for the Airbnb website. However, some of the basic shortcuts that you can use is, let's say you want to copy the name of a certain property, you can simply go to that property and select it and use Ctrl or Command C to copy it. And if you want to paste it somewhere, let's say, you can always go ahead and use Ctrl V or Command V to paste them just like that. This is the general Ctrl copy and Ctrl paste command that you can use. But aside from that, there isn't a built-in separate type of keyboard shortcuts that Airbnb has created for their website for multifunctional purposes. So I hope that this video helped you clarify, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.